Hi and welcome to my channel. My name's Kira and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look on my eyes using the Escape Pod palette by Kaleidos. Here is what she looks like on the inside. Yeah, keep on watching to find out how I got this look here. Face and brows are on as usual. Today we're going to be doing a look using what I got in the mail today. This is the Kaleidos Escape Pod. Here is what she looks like. So I did go on to order the Club Nebula palette, but 3 minutes after it went live it actually went out of stock, so I got this instead. Really feeling the look with like either one of these two shades. I think I'm just gonna do simple but colourful eye look today. I'm just gonna go into it and see what we come up with. Using my Sigma fluffy brush, the E40 I think it is. Yep, E40. I'm gonna go into the shade Bossa Nova. Just make sure my primer's set. And I'm gonna do that above my crease.
Show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs.
Using a more tapered brush on the Morphe M330, I'm gonna go into that shade Terrace and go into the crease.
Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, get over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on.
Just blend that out.
No going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better.
Now using an angled brush, I'm gonna go back into that shade Terrace and pop that on the outer corner. And on the inner corner. Blend the edge out here.
Standing on the dizzying highs.
You're gone now.
I usually do a purple look, so these are like the purples. They are also stunning, but I am going to go in with the green shade. So for the center of my eyes, taking this brush here, I'm going to go into the shade Galactica Gala and pop that in the center. Let me pop that with my finger. Yeah. Right in the center. I'm loving that. And then get that shade Terrace to like blend it in together. Even bring it up.
I feel that you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel it. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you come.
With a smaller brush, I'm just gonna deepen up that outer corner so we don't lose that depth. And blend. Look at the green. Lovely. So pop that on the other eye as well.
You know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination.
In the under eye now, I'm going to go into that Bossa Nova shade.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need. Tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out. Find a place where I can.
Another tapered brush, that shade Terrace. Just on like the outer quarter. And blend. I'm gonna add a bit of purple. Space Oasis. On like the inner part of my eye. Just blend it a bit. And then on the inner corners, the shade Starlight Sonata. And pop that on the brow bone.
All I can do now is drink, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing?
So that's the eyeshadow portion. Then I'm gonna add lashes, eyeliner, mascara, and it should not look this crazy. See that? So I'm back with the finished look. So I just added some brown liner in my waterline and then unicorn lashes in the style Majestic AF. On my lips is Jeffree Star's Celebrity Skin and Pat McGrath's gloss in Dare to Bear. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting this look with me and using the Kaleidos Escape Pod palette. And if you enjoyed this, then don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.